بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Zainab. I am studying first standard B section. My topic is Indian languages and festivals. There are 28 states in India. People speak different languages. In all this, they celebrate different festivals. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Atika. I am studying standard B section. Harappan civilization. The Indus River Valley civilization, also known as Harappan civilization, developed the first accurate system as to 1.6 millimeter. Harappans created sculptures and pottery jewelry from materials such as terracotta, metal and stone. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Talent Kid Show of our Huda School. I am Sarin Padma from 7th standard. I like to explain about my social project. Natural renewable energies. Those are solar energy, wind energy, hydropower energy. Natural resources that are derived from our environments are called natural resources. Some of them are most essential for our living and satisfaction for our needs. Solar energy is the energy, light or heat that comes from the sun. Photovoltaic cell, which convert the light directly into electricity. Wind energy, wind power or wind energy, the form of renewable energy. The harness the power to generate the electricity. Hydro energy is generated from moving water with a high velocity and the great force with the help of turbines and dynamos. China is the largest producer of hydroelectricity. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Talent Kid Show of our Huda School. I am Ms. Fatima of Standard 8. This is the model of Nalanda University. Nalanda in Bihar was a great ancient educational center in India. It was established in 5th century by Kumaragupta I. It is the first residential university in the world with 10,000 students and 2,000 professors. Here the students learn the Vedas and are trained in fine arts, mathematics, medicine, philosophy and politics and the art of warfare. It attracted students from places as far as China and Southeast Asia. The library of Nalanda is so vast. It is separated into 3 buildings. They are Ratnasar, Rantadi and Ratnaranjak. The library of Nalanda was set to fire in the year 1147. It was burned for 3 months and 9 million books were destroyed. The university was also destructed by Muhammad Bakir Khilji and his army. After 800 years, President APJ Abdul Kalam addressed the idea of restarting the university. The new university in Rajgarh started its first academic session with 15 students in the year 2014. Thank you. Aurora, a natural curtain of combination of bright pink, red and green color lights that appears in the sky near the north and south magnetic poles. The effect is caused by the interaction of charged particles with the atoms in the upper atmosphere. This is also known as dancing of sun. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aisha Farina. I am studying 8th standard B section. Welcome to our talent show of school. This is working model of women in freedom fighter. In the early anti-colonial structure, women played major role in various capacity. Vedu Narsha was a queen of Sivagangai. At the age of 16, she was married to Muthu Vedunadar, the Raja of Sivagangai in 1772. The Nawab of Arcot and the British took inducted Sivagangai. Rani Lakshmi Bai, she is queen of Jhansi. She was called as Jhansi. In Rani Beham Hazrat's Mahal, Rani Lakshmi Bai led an army revolt 1857 against the British. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our talent show of our Huda School. I am Mariam Tasma. I am studying 8th standard. I am going to explain about road safety. Road it is one of the modes of transport. Road minimize the distance, but on the other hand, road accident injure lakhs of people and result in loss of lives. Road safety is primarily meant about protect and promote security of all those who travel on roads. Causes of road accident: overspeeding, drunken driving, distraction to drivers, road condition, weather condition. Safety measures to be followed that prevent road accident. Always keep to the left. Slow down on bends and turn. Use helmets. Never exceed the speed limit. Maintain the right distance. Follow the road signs. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Nabila. I am studying 6th standard B section. Day and night occur due to the earth rotating on its axis. The sun, the moon, the stars seem to move from east to west because the earth spins from east to west. The earth orbits once every 365 days and rotates above its axis once every 24 hours. Thank you.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح. سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح